Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove accounts suggested for you on your Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account, and you want to select your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. Just open up your profile page, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right. And underneath where it says how you use Instagram, select notifications. There's a little bell icon next to it. And then select following and followers. And where it says account suggestions, you can turn this on or off depending on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.